Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my apartment. So when you come in, the first thing you see is this nice closet here. This is where we keep our shoes and our jackets and everything, our snowboards, all of that is in here. And then moving in, we have right here on this wall 2 clotheslines. This is how we dry our clothes. If you saw in my other video where I talk about living in Seattle and the expenses, you know how much our laundry is. Moving on to the living area, we have the TV, couch, living area. We probably are going to rearrange it. This is just kind of how we have it right now. And one thing I really like is this nice big window. It lets in a lot of natural light. And then turning a little over here, we have the dining area, which right now you can see is just storage. We don't have a table yet. So yeah, this is your dining area. And then over here I have my desk. You can see this is where I do work and everything. It's nice that there's some natural light. And moving back into the hallway, we have a linen closet right here. And yeah, that's where we keep all that stuff. And then moving across from there, we have our bathroom. I really like that everything is refinished and nice. The kitchen or the sink, vanity, everything is all new. And then one of my favorite parts is this awesome skylight that we have. It lets in so much natural light and just really makes this area not as dark and much more open. And then back through the hallway we have the kitchen, and it's pretty small but it works. It does everything we need. This is actually the water heater, so there's no storage here, and that is why we also have our garbage on the ground here, because we have nowhere to put it. So that's that. We did get a new stove and a new dishwasher, and that's that. Moving on into the closet, it's really nice because we don't have so much storage in the kitchen that we have this big pantry right here, so that is awesome. And then moving on back here, you have the bedrooms, and this is me and Jamala's bedroom. What's up in here? Not much. The bedrooms aren't very big, so that is one of the reasons I put these closet door mirrors on the side to kind of open it up, and also it just makes the closet a lot bigger and more open, and we are able to access our clothes easier without like sliding the doors one way or the other. And yeah, it's decent size. You can see, oh, he's in the plants. You can see our bed takes up a big portion of the room, and over here is just like a little nook area. Oh god. Okay, and then one thing we really like about our apartment is this awesome balcony. Oh, my poor chamomile. Our nice balcony, you can see the cat loves it, especially for the plants, but it's really nice just to have some fresh air and to not be cooped up in the apartment all day. We can get out, get some fresh air. And my favorite thing is the view we have of these beautiful trees from the bed. This is literally what I see in the morning, and it just looks like we're in the treetops, and I love it. And then over here we have our little garden, or attempt at a garden. We have arugula and kale, parsley, chamomile, some chives, and lettuce and stuff. The other thing is we have these clotheslines out here. It's really nice that there's a
hook? Oh.
Thing.
Awning?
An awning whatever. It's nice that we have this thing here because we can put our clothes under here and they don't get wet when it's raining, so we can still dry our clothes even though it's raining, which it does every now and then here. And the balcony does connect both of the bedrooms together. I did the same thing with the mirrors, it just makes it bigger and open. We did have a roommate and now we don't, so this room is kind of our storage room for right now. It's about the same size as the other one. And that brings us back out here. This is the closet, and yeah. So this is what you will get in Seattle for about $1,500 a month. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It is newly refinished, and that is one of the reasons it costs so much. Well, compared to everywhere else, this is really good for the price that you're getting. We are still about 10 to 20 minutes away from downtown, depending on traffic, and yeah, so it's not like we're super close to downtown with this cost. What else? With this apartment, we are on the 4th floor and there's no elevator, so getting up furniture is a struggle, and just like if you forget something down in the car, you have to go down like 4 flights of stairs and there's no getting around it. Like that part sucks. And the other thing that sucks is we don't have our own washer and dryer in our unit, so we do have to go downstairs and use that and pay for it. But we do also have free parking. It is not underground, it's not boxed in or anything, it's just open. On the bottom level is a parking spot. So that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!